Edgar Hoover wrote several letters stating that the investigation of unidentified flying objects is not and never has been within the jurisdiction of the FBI. J. Edgar Hoover successfully kept the FBI's UFO file secret until 1976, when Dr. Bruce Maccabee received part of the FBI UFO file as a result of his Freedom of Information Act request. Here are the documents that were released. There are over 1,000 pages which provide information on the FBI's and the Air Force's secret investigations of UFOs. This startling document was recovered from the FBI's secret file. It is in J. Edgar Hoover's own handwriting. In response to a government request to investigate UFOs, Mr. Hoover wrote, and we quote, "I would do it, but before agreeing to do it, we must insist upon full access to discs recovered. For instance, in the LA case, the Army grabbed it and would not let us have it for cursory examination." End quote. This memo clearly indicates that Mr. Hoover considered UFOs a very serious subject that should receive top-level security. One of the